This car lost control on the road, but fortunately, two trucks acted as barriers, preventing it from leaving the roadway entirely. The red truck demonstrated quick reflexes by braking just in time, avoiding a potential collision. This incident likely occurred due to loose lug nuts on the wheels, which caused both tires to detach. A Scania truck overturned on the road, prompting the intervention of a mobile crane to restore it to an upright position. The excavator appears to extend its arm as if signaling for assistance, highlighting the urgency of the situation. This red truck lost control and ended up in a roadside ditch, spilling its gravel load and creating additional hazards. A fire broke out under the hood of this black car, prompting the driver to alert staff at a nearby gas station for assistance. Gas station staff acted promptly by guiding the car to a safe location and using fire extinguishers to control the flames. The driver of this truck forgot to fully lower the crane arm, inadvertently damaging a traffic light at the intersection. This white car attempted to exit the highway at the last moment, then stopped and reversed, creating a dangerous situation. This truck experienced a loss of control, but the driver skillfully managed to stabilize the vehicle after several tense moments. A white car attempted to use the emergency lane, but was sideswiped into the guardrail by a passing truck. Two trucks collided due to obstructed visibility caused by a larger vehicle ahead. The red truck appeared startled by a container truck overturning on the opposite side of the road. Both drivers failed to maintain proper awareness, leading to a preventable traffic incident. A truck lost its front axle while attempting to climb, leaving it stranded and in need of immediate assistance. A truck climbing onto a flatbed trailer startled a nearby worker, emphasizing the importance of situational awareness. A loose tire rolling down the road seemed to be heading toward its truck, posing a hazard to surrounding vehicles. A driver parked in the emergency lane but neglected to close the car door, resulting in it being torn off. A driver inspecting a tire noticed a dangerous bulge and quickly moved away, prioritizing personal safety. This truck unexpectedly overturned on a hill, requiring specialized equipment to recover it. The truck sped through the intersection at an alarmingly high velocity, creating a risk for other road users. A loading error occurred when the truck's back cover latch was not properly removed before loading began. A car merged into traffic without checking its side mirror, resulting in a near collision with a passing truck. Vehicles passing under this bridge encountered water dripping onto the roadway, creating potential traction issues. This truck lost its roof in an accident, leaving it exposed to the elements. The driver of this white car exhibited inexperience, contributing to a near miss on the road. Climbing steep inclines requires heavy-duty vehicles and proper equipment to ensure safety. A three-wheeled vehicle abruptly changed direction, catching a smaller electric car by surprise. A truck's cab was engulfed in flames, and despite concerted efforts, the fire could not be extinguished. A crane fell into a lake, and rescue teams faced significant challenges in retrieving it using a second crane. Skid marks on the road indicate a sudden event that left this truck precariously positioned on the edge. This forklift exceeded its weight capacity while attempting to lift steel plates, leading to equipment failure. A tilting truck leaned onto a nearby vehicle, which fortunately prevented it from fully tipping over. The red truck narrowly avoided rolling over due to quick corrective action by the driver. Two workers prematurely celebrated the arrival of a forklift, forgetting they still needed to unload the goods themselves. A motorcycle startled two cars as it sped by, with one car managing to brake in time while the other collided. A motorcyclist entered oncoming traffic and made contact with another vehicle, emphasizing the risks of improper lane usage. This Audi reversed without awareness of its surroundings, colliding with the car directly behind it.